So I went and enjoyed the river. Beautiful down there. There were people on surfboards, like paddle boards, standing while they went down the river. It's crazy. That's a little more daring than I am, but fun. So this is scary. Our camp is just over this ridge, not the higher mountains behind, but this closer ridge, sort of down in this valley. That's where the river is, and that's where our camp is. I'm at Love's, just in town, but I'm probably just a couple of miles from where the camp is, but to get here you have to go around this ridge. It takes a while, but pretty scary. It may be further away than it looks, but that's not good. I mean, that's got to be within 30 miles. And considering that we've been smelling fire for the last day or so, I guess you don't smell fire, you smell smoke. Since we've been smelling smoke for the last day or so, that it's not safe. I just texted everybody left over at camp and waiting for a response, but I don't think it's safe for everyone to stay there, so everyone's an adult, they can do what they want, but it doesn't seem safe to me. So I hope they come up and join us a little further up the mountain. I'm at Clear Creek Reservoir. Actually, this is just Clear Creek right here. Reservoir is just a little down the way. This is where the Travelers Campers Festival meetup, whatever it is. It's going to be in this area, and I can definitely see where it got its name, Clear Creek. It's amazing. It is stunningly beautiful here. So the reservoir is that way. You drive past it, we're coming in. It's quite large. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. And yeah, it's just gorgeous. Birds, prairie dogs. Oh, don't look at the mess at my front seat. Ooh, but there are mosquitoes here. A mosquito just landed on me. That's the first mosquito I've seen in Colorado, I believe, that I can remember. So, there are other people here, but they're like little private camp spots, or semi-private. It's like you can tuck yourself into the trees if you'd like. There are a few people over here who are having a little bit of a party. Teri says they're teachers somewhere around here. There's Teri and Scott. Oh yeah. It's pretty empty now. Is this an amazing view or what? This is right out my door. It's just so serene and beautiful. So the only thing wrong with this spot is we have absolutely no reception whatsoever. So we can't even text or call, which, you know, in a way is nice to completely disconnect. But we need to get a hold of the rest of the group. They're waiting to hear from us. So I'm actually going to drive all the way back to Buena Vista. And yeah, I need to connect to the internet anyways. And probably buy a little food. But this, I could, if there was cell reception, internet, I could live here. It's that gorgeous, and I just feel relaxed, and it's wonderful.